How to fix WhatsApp profile picture quality on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp profile picture quality on any Android phone. First open WhatsApp and then click test three points here and then click settings. Now click account and then click privacy and now just click this one here. Wait, where is it? And not privacy, sorry, click storage and data, and now just scroll down until you find photo upload quality. Click on it, maybe you'll find it here or here, data saver. Then just click best quality and click ok. Now just try again, and I hope that can fix your problem. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.